Man, I ghost you, oh so tragic. I'm so sociopathic. Me and Logan slumped the traffic till he overdosed and crashed it. I don't fuck with none of these rappers. I hate them with a passion. It's fuck your little rotation, bitch. I'll take the blunt you pass, and then I'm beating every single senior citizen I meet. And I'm in your refrigerator trying to find something to eat. Bitch, I use your sister's picture every time I beat my meat. Home invasion, but I'm comfy like some fucking company. Bitch, I don't need no rhyme or reason, it'll always be this way. I don't keep no bitch, I switch them every time the seasons change. Nigga, mind your business, this your bitch, well it don't seem that way. She know I'm that nigga and she love it when I demonstrate. Love it when I demonstrate, love it when I demonstrate. She know I'm that nigga and she love it when I demonstrate. Nigga, mind your business, this your bitch, well it don't seem that way. She know I'm that nigga and she love it when I demonstrate. I ain't slurring, bitch, I'm speaking in cursive. Her fucking head green due to rum as the curtains. The police pull me over, catch me slipping, I'm swerving. She gon' take this dope and boot it up, this for certain. Nigga, hurry up, get to work. Slurping all the surfing, now your bitch is my servant. I'm swerving all the J, nigga, make way cause I'm serving. She get the heebie-jeebies when she see me get nervous. And bitch, I'm perk walking, it's the perk talking, nigga. It's the dirt talking, then I'm white talking, niggas. She a perk poppin', slurp sloppin' ass bitch. Perpetrating, hating niggas get their ass hit. And bitch, I'm penetrating, you niggas be masturbating. It may not be blatant, but I know they asses hate. Me and my niggas breaking when your mama's on vacation. You call it prostitution, but I call it product placement. What?